What's up, everybody? We got a green screen tutorial today. We're going to take this video right here that we took, and we are going
Thank you.
take the green screen out, and I will show you how to put both a picture and a video behind it using this program here called Lightworks. So let's get started. The first thing you want to do is have all your files together and organized. You don't want them in 9 different places because it'll get confusing and you might accidentally delete them. So let's right click on the desktop, create a new folder, and tell it GSP for green screen project. Drag and drop them. I've got them right here. Okay, nice and organized. Next, I'm going to open Lightworks right here. You will need to open Lightworks and create you have to create an account. Once you create an account, you should see this home screen right here. If you've not created your account, please pause this video, create the account, sign in, and then you should see this right here. We're going to click on create a new project. Again, we're going to call that project GSP, green screen project. We don't need a tutorial today, so I'm just going to click through these. Lightworks is separated into 3 primary areas. You have your project contents right here, you have your preview window right here, and you have your sequence down here. Your sequence is where you're actually pulling videos in and slicing them up, and your preview window is where you are viewing what you're working with so far. So let's tab over. We've got our folder right here. I'm going to go ahead and just drag and drop these into the project contents. I can see that they've loaded up right here. I'm going to take my video, simply drag it right into the sequence bar right here. So you can see that these are separated into tracks. Here's our video tracks, and then we have a few audio tracks already pre-populated in there. For this video, since we're pulling out the green screen, making it transparent to see something behind it, we are going to need to add a video track. Right click on V1, click on tracks, and add video. Again, since we are making this green screen transparent, we want it to be on the top track. Anything on the top will be seen first. Anything on the bottom will be seen last. Okay, so I'm just going to start with this photo right here. I'm going to drag and drop it behind. As you can see, it is not visible behind the green screen yet. Let's go ahead and move from Edit into our VFX panel. It looks a little similar, except our project contents have disappeared and they've been replaced with our settings. Any effects that you add will appear right here in the left-hand screen, along with its settings, so that you can modify them. To get rid of this green screen, let's right-click on the video in the sequence below, click on Effects, Add, and Green Screen. Now, it's done an okay job of making the green screen disappear. Let's use our settings to modify that. Up here on hue, we want to drag our settings, our colors. As you can see, when I pull right or left, the colors are moving and it's becoming more and less vibrant. Toggle it to where it's to your liking. Then move on to saturation. Same thing. When you move it left and right, it becomes more and less visible. Okay? Finally, we're moving on to luminance. Now I'm satisfied with that as well. Spill is the area around our subject, and we can still see a little bit of green. So I'm going to crank that spill up just a little, and it will help with that. Okay? So I'm pretty satisfied with this. I'm going to go back to Edit, press play.
Thank you. I'm overjoyed to have been given this title.
So you can see that the green screen has been completely pulled out and we can see the photo pretty clearly behind her. Now, if I wanted to do this with a video, I would simply pull my video clip directly behind and do the same process. Thank you very much. Good luck with your green screen.